What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a natural hair style. You know, I need something different. So I'm going to be doing a style in my hair. And I initially wanted to try like a tribal type of style, but probably, I don't know, probably that might take too long. So I need something quick and easy. So I'm just going to go with a twist style. So the first thing I am going to do is I'm going to use my rat tail comb and part my hair. So it's going to look something like this, like a triangle. Then I'm going to twist that up like so. And then I have the rest of my hair. I'm just going to go through with my brush just to make sure it's not tangled. So I'm just going to take my Camille Rose Moisture Milk, and I'm just going to toss it in my hair a little bit, you know, to give it some type of moisture, because right now it's feeling kind of, doesn't feel dry, but it feels like it needs some moisture milk, okay? So just going to put some moisture milk in there, like so, right? And then I am going to start to twist. Probably I should begin this one with like a twist, but I'm not going to twist the entire thing, but I'll begin it with a twist. Like so. And then I am just going to continue to just twist all around. Twist all around, and then when I get to like right here, I am going to pull on it a little bit, like so, pull on it, and then I'm going to take my hair tie and just secure it, something like this. Right, and then just make sure it's not too tight, so just loosen it up a little bit. You could go ahead and take some bobby pins or some hairpins. I have two giant hairpins. Take some hairpins and tuck right here in, because it's going to look a little poofy. Just tuck it in like so. Tuck that in, so it's going to look like this. Right? It's going to look like this. So I'm just going to, I should probably do 3-strand twists. Should probably do 3-strand twists. Let's see. So if y'all don't know how to 3-strand twist, let me show you real quick. So you'll have 3 strands, obviously. And then you're going to take this one and act like you're doing a normal twist. Okay, so I already twisted this part. And now I'm just going to take this out and add some more moisture milk, just to make sure that my twist will be nice and juicy and moisturized. You could add some water too if you like. I might just go ahead and add some water too, just to make sure that it's nice and moisturized. And then I'm going to continue doing some 3-strand twists in there. Oops, my bar is coming in. Okay, so I just got done doing the twists, and I got really lazy, so I didn't want to do them too small, but this is how it's looking. And then tomorrow I'm just going to unravel the twist, but for right now this is what the style is looking like, and I could pretty much rock it like this, you know, until whenever I feel like loosening it out. Probably I mightn't loosen it out tomorrow. I'll probably just leave it like this for a while, and then yeah. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this hairstyle, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Ooh, I'm loving my hair.